Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the diesel filter located on the bottom right hand of the engine compartment. Take a socket wrench, an extender and a 27mm socket. Unscrew the flange cover on the diesel filter by turning it anti-clockwise until it starts to move freely. Finish unscrewing by hand. You can now access the filter. Take a liquid collector for the diesel. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Remove the filter by pulling upwards and at the same time by turning anti-clockwise. You must now drain the filter. Using a syringe or a hoovering tool, remove the diesel so that you can completely clean the flange with a paper towel.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter in place, then push downwards and turn clockwise. Put the cover back on. To tighten it, take a socket wrench, an extender and a 27mm socket. For this step, you can also use a dynametric key that has been set to 25 Nm. Turn the key a few times to make sure that the filter has been properly primed. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.